GPT Trading Bot is here. This is a gold GPT status review. OTC assets, normal mode, and currencies are already enabled. Let's confirm our choice. Select the asset and expiration time. 1 minute is okay. Wait for analysis a little bit and open a sell deal. Now, when the deal is opened, let me tell you some Christmas news. Till the end of the year, you can get bronze GPT status even with $25 deposit. Moreover, you can apply promo code ELF and get 100% bonus on your deposit. This is literally a Christmas miracle. Bot's link and a promo code are in the description. Don't wait and make more profit with this once-a-year opportunity.
Moobert.